Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumaguphi.
I come from East London. Marangla PPE manje ngizobukela this one a full game. Angizoba mude.
Sure.
Vele ngimfishana ngibona nawo. Umbule udlalile. Umbule udlalile. Although we can't run away from the fact that Umbule vele his stats zakhe are not very good. Vele umthithani uyalazi ibhola. Yabo uyalazi umthithi ibhola. Mari stats asikhulumi lokho. On the other hand, his stats zikamduze yasho.
Sini njayami.
Sithiwa deserve. Ukuya AFCON. Ya deserve. Ukuya World Cup. Thathani umdu. Nifake ebhenchini. Niqale ngombule. Maqeda nifake isauce. Nifake isauce. Ubani sauce. Do Shabalala. Do like I do. Why you for me? Yebo. Beka ke Steve. Masambi mthi. Okay Steve. Siyakuphi? Ngiyakhala.
Ukhala ngani?
Uko Bruce.
Madala.
Ubonile uSipo Chain? Ungenile 45 minutes kuphela. Wa concede. On the other hand, Sabani, Peterson. Peterson. It's time. Start to try yini? Simbeke ebhenchini. Akahlala phansi. Start to Peterson. Simbeke untshebe ukuthi uzakwenzani. Yabo. Angikhomude Sibo. Ngiyabonga.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?